Is there, oh yeah, try it out. I will try not to ask questions. Okay, I will try. I will try my best. I like to ask questions, but I'll try not to.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, I am going to present the paper. The title is Explainable Machine Learning for Project Management Control. So, in this paper, they mention like how we can use machine learning in project management. So, there are before there are some traditional methods or old methods used in project management. Here we can see the EVM method first they use like earned value management EVM. EVM is widely used in project management and manager whether like is predict time and within budget by comparing three metrics like planned value, like before started the plan we planned work, or earned value like completed work, and actual cost like money actual we spent. So this is traditional and old method. The EVM is good, but the EVM there are some drawbacks for EVM. Like when we do some project, we can give like planned work and completed work. So the EVM only can give like our work is late or on the time, but EVM cannot actually predict like what because of what work we are late or what work make difficulty to make this project delay. And some real world complexity are there, like real world projects have uncertainty, like we can say weather or cost and the task or task duration and interactions. And black box problem also are there, like machine learning can improve prediction but often works like a black box, means it's a little difficult to understand for the managers like how which problem is affecting the project. So in this paper they propose a method like this research like 4-step method that combines the traditional project control with modern machine learning techniques. So first step they start with the EVM, like in previous slide we see the use like PV, EV and the AC from traditional earned value management. Then second method is add like Monte Carlo simulation method. This method is like generate so many data sets like simulation like around maybe more than 2000 or 3000 simulation, and it can predict so many simulation, and then after that simulation we can use machine learning like trade models use those simulated scenarios to predict outcomes such as final duration, for like we can predict it's late or on time. After that, after we using the machine learning, then they apply SHAP, explain how each task contribute to the prediction and show which tasks are mainly responsible for delay or risk. So this is the novelty of this paper, that it shows like which task is mainly affecting the project and why it's affecting, not only telling that it's getting delay, but it also state the reasons why we are getting late in this project. So some key learnings point in this problem, like a project manager does not only need to know like what a project may be late, or the manager also need to know why. So project manager like traditional method they use EVM. So EVM method only tells us this project are late or not, but this method can tell why project are late, and it very helpful for manager, because manager also want to know why these projects are late. So SHAP makes machine learning prediction more understandable by showing which task influence the result most. So if there is 3 tasks, then SHAP will show like which task is responsible to getting delay in this project problem. And second is the project control should be include uncertainty. Like real project do not follow perfectly fixed plans. That EVM drawbacks also, because for EVM we need a perfectly fixed plan, but for SHM we can predict it, and task duration and cost can change. Standard EVM is useful but limited in uncertain environments, and Monte Carlo simulation and machine learning help create a more realistic view of project outcomes. So using this method we can say that we can predict what things are getting problem to delay this project. Then some critical analysis, like some strength and limitations. So this paper focus on managerial usefulness, not only technical prediction. It shows that AI becomes more valuable when manager can understand the reason behind the prediction, and the combination of EVM simulation and machine learning.
1 minute more.
Machine learning and SHP logical and practical. And there are some limitations. The method depends on strong assumptions about task duration and uncertainty. If the input assumptions are weak, the output may also be weak. And the method may be difficult to apply in the real. Like Monte Carlo simulation and SHP can be computationally expensive. And practical value, the method can help managers like identify which tasks need attention first. It can support better replanning and prioritization in uncertain projects, making it valuable tool for project control in complex environments. Relevance to project control, like in this paper, connects with project control because it focuses on how manager track project performance and make decisions based on real time. And also for the same for schedule management. It also with schedule management because it looks at delay and completion time prediction under uncertainty. And also for cost control, like cost control because EVM compares progress with actual spending to identify budget and variances. So in this paper, like overall we can say that this method is good to show you why we are getting late and state the reasons, what the exact reason of delay this project. Thank you.